I'm Ryan, one of the design engineers at Rough Country, here to discuss the redesigned 2019 GM 1500 6-inch kit. The 2019 Chevy has been redesigned from the ground up, all new suspension components and a new aggressive styling. All the kit components for this truck are brand new. We designed a new ductile iron cast knuckle that maintains the factory track width to utilize a 35-12-50-20 wrapped around a 10-inch wide wheel with a maximum 4.5-inch back spacing, so they get that deep lip look that's so popular right now. Some other companies may claim near zero track width change, but they actually do increase the track width a quarter and sometimes up to a 1/2 inch per side. This limits the customer's wheel selection, not letting you run quite as wide a wheel as you may want, where Rough Country has developed this kit to accommodate up to 10-inch wide wheels. Front lift is achieved by a combination of upper and lower strut spacer that does not require any disassembly of your strut. The diff is also dropped an optimal amount to maintain a proper CV angle, so there's no binding through the suspension travel. Our cross members are dropped 6 inches to match our lift height. Along with dropping the front diff, we include an integrated skid plate for off-road protection. The N3 shock is a larger bore. This allows better heat dissipation, a great ride on the highway, reinforced seals, and a larger piston rod for increased durability. All of the plate parts are laser cut, CNC bent, and either fixture welded or hand welded in-house, and then painted at the Rough Country powder coat line. All of our parts go through a multi-stage wash with an acid etch that promotes paint adhesion, which makes for more corrosion resistant parts in the end. We do the tests on the mill thickness on the paint, and they put them in big test booths that spray water and salt on them. It exceeds industry standards for salt spray protection. This kit includes a set of anti-wrap rear blocks to reduce axle wrap. A non-axle wrap block is a smaller block that's placed in between the spring and the rear end housing. Our anti-wrap block features 2 additional U-bolt straps that widen the load base to reduce axle wrap and any possibility of driveline vibration. GM did a great job redesigning the 2019 GM 1500. Here at Rough Country, we wanted to make sure we did not inhibit the factory ride quality at all. So by maintaining factory-like suspension geometry, you get an aggressive looking stance without sacrificing ride quality.